Ever wonder how your local car shop in North St. Louis suddenly knows exactly what you want? It's not magic, it's AI marketing. Imagine AI as a super smart mechanic, but for your business strategy. It's analyzing trends, customer habits, and even predicting your next car repair needs before you do. America's Best Shops marketing agency is unleashing this tech to transform the auto scene here. They use AI to zoom in on what buyers really crave, serving targeted ads that hit like a turbo boost. But here's the twist. This isn't just about selling cars. It's about building trust and community. AI connects shops with you on a personal level, making every visit feel tailored. And guess what? Shops using AI report up to 30% more return customers. So next time you see a slick ad or get a personalized coupon, remember, it's AI working behind the scenes. Ready to see your auto business shift gears with AI? Or maybe you're just wondering, is your own car's next service already predicted? Drop your thoughts below, and let's talk AI revolution in North St. Louis.